Hi, yeah, that is the vehicle, right? Compared to Range Rover, it's like a day and night. It's in a awesome condition. I can say awesome. They haven't been repainted, haven't been touched. It is as supposed to be, as original. This is how it looks. Sounds sweet, sounds nice. Same in here. You will find little marks. I will see them. You will see them in the pictures. Alloys wheels are excellent condition. Everything as well is in a good condition. Even the bumpers at the back is not. There's tiny little cosmetic scratches. You got some little cosmetic scratches here. You can see, and his little ding, and here the corners are rubbed off. And otherwise, inside of the vehicle, you got all the tools, everything you need to change the wheel. Interior is in a great condition as well. Probably they would do a little wallet, as probably would need just to hoover it out, because it's you see in this sort of type of environment it's sparked. So yeah, otherwise everything is working. The seat is great, you know, just a standard as you would want wear and tear, which is absolutely acceptable. Regarding the faults, there is one fault. Regarding the brakes, if you're driving, I took up to slightly above the legal limit, right? There's slight marks from the door seals, as probably there's some sort of, as this is kind of rough, probably this is just scratching that bit, you know. That's the probably manufacturing fault. It needs rear pads 20-30% left, and the front pads are about 60 left. This car slightly acceptably has a acceptable wear and tear on the discs, right? But when you're driving fast, depends how overcautious about little tiny vibrations you might have. If you want to get rid of that, if you're pulling up to like 90 miles an hour, 80, and then braking, you can feel really gentle vibration, you know. I mean, I can feel it, you might not feel it, but if you want the perfection, front disc and pads, rear pads, and you'll be fine. Probably also just to rebalance the alloys. But that's if you wanted to, but to be pedantically, you can ignore my last comment. This one I'm just adding. But yeah, otherwise everything is great, you know. I will report the little fault which is there. We'll see. We'll go through them now. All right. Thanks for using us. This is your lovely motor. Bye.